What is going on, guys? Thanks for stopping back here to the channel. If it's your first time here, go ahead and get on there and smash that subscribe button. But today we're going to be doing something that I had to search on the internet to find, and this truck threw a perform service on the dash, and it has never done that before. It's about 67,000 miles, and it's because of your crankcase ventilation filter is why. So we're going to remove that today and show you how to reset that light. Okay, so now we are going to turn the key to the run position without starting it. Push the brake twice and the acceleration all the way down twice. Then turn your key off. And let's see if it'll stay off. So everything, I couldn't find much on it. I had to dig for the information, but what I could see, between 65 and 70,000 miles, the truck automatically throws a perform service light on the dash, and it's for your crankcase ventilation filter. That was a filter I got off Amazon for 30 bucks. It's not that big of a deal. It took me 10 minutes to change, if that, and that was just me taking my time. Oh. Messages, I don't know if you guys can tell, it says 0, so we are good there. So she is now reset. Should not throw that every time we get in the truck. So hopefully this video was helpful for you guys. If you did, go ahead and get in there and smash that thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching, guys. Hope this was helpful to you.